Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to generate the script to move the temp files one drive to another drive. I already explained the video how to move the tempdb files from one drive to another video. But in this video, I am going to show you how to generate that script automatically based how many number of files you have. So that many alter statements will get generated. Let's see that. Open your SSMS, click new query and paste it here and click execute. See, right now I am having 8 tempdb files and all the location got tempdb. Here you need to change the location name. For example, if you have any other location, just paste it here. Okay, sorry. You want to paste in data, for example, new. Okay, backward slash. Okay, so click execute. That script will generate and give you just copy all these command and go to the new query and paste it and execute it. Okay, this is how you can generate the script all tempdb move script, okay, without manually intervention. If you see and go to tempdb, see properties, files. I'm having so one two this is the these many log files. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So I am having 8 data files, one log file. See, these are the 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you can this statement and so don't copy the completion time. Just copy all this and execute it and follow as per the process. I hope you may like this video. I will give all the scripts in the description box. Have a look. Thank you. Bye.